Hamburger recipe. Introduction. The classic hamburger is an all-American favorite that never goes out of style. Juicy, flavorful, and endlessly customizable, it's the perfect meal for cookouts, weeknight dinners, or casual get-togethers. In this recipe, we'll guide you through making a restaurant-quality hamburger from scratch, with tips to get the perfect sear, the most tender patty, and that delightful balance of toppings. Whether you're grilling outdoors or cooking on the stovetop, this hamburger recipe will give you mouth-watering results every time. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, preferably 80/20ths for a juicy patty, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for hamburger buns, 1 tablespoon of butter for toasting the buns, for slices of cheddar or American cheese, optional, for lettuce leaves, for slices of tomato, for slices of red onion, dill pickle slices, and your favorite condiments like ketchup and mustard. Optionally, you can also include crispy bacon or a fried egg for a gourmet touch. Step 2. Form and season the patties. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions, roughly 4 ounces each. Gently shape each portion into a round patty about 3/4 inch thick and slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink while cooking. Avoid overworking the meat to maintain tenderness. Make a slight indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb to prevent puffing during cooking. Season both sides of the patties with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Step 3. Toast the buns. Cut the hamburger buns in half horizontally. In a skillet or on a grill over medium heat, melt the butter and place the buns cut side down. Toast them until they are golden brown and crispy, which enhances the texture and flavor of the final burger. Once toasted, remove from heat and set aside. Step 4. Cook the patties. Heat a grill or skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, place the patties on the cooking surface and cook without moving them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the patties and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit 71 degrees Celsius for well done. If using cheese, place a slice on each patty during the last minute of cooking and cover with a lid to melt the cheese. Step 5. Assemble the burger. Start with the bottom half of the toasted bun. Spread a layer of mayonnaise or your chosen condiment. Place a lettuce leaf, followed by the cooked beef patty with melted cheese. Add a slice of tomato, red onion, and pickles. Add additional condiments like ketchup or mustard if desired. Top with the upper bun. Press gently to hold everything together. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Serve your freshly made hamburgers hot with a side of crispy fries, onion rings, or a fresh salad. You can also wrap them in parchment paper for a classic diner-style presentation. Customize with your favorite toppings for the ultimate personalized experience. Conclusion. With simple ingredients and careful preparation, you have created a hamburger that is bursting with flavor and texture. Whether you're serving a crowd or just treating yourself, this timeless recipe guarantees satisfaction in every bite. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.